Today, you're going to learn a simple and easy way to play a gospel quartet drive. If you're new to this genre, welcome. All a gospel quartet drive is jamming out on the E chord. It is going to sound like this. If you want to dig deeper and learn more about gospel quartet, I have a free course for you down in the description. This is super similar to country and rockabilly, rock and roll. There's a lot of crossover. So if you're coming from that genre and that world, welcome. You're going to be close to home. The first thing you need to do to play this riff is just to understand that open E box shape. That's where that initial riff is coming from. So slower. I just want you to feel at home and know where everything is coming from. So from that little box shape, which is 3-0, 3-0, 2-0, 2-0, 2-0, 3-0. So what we're going to do is play an open E string, open B string, 3rd fret B string, open E string. So play along with me. It's going to sound like this. Okay, that's the first part. So once again, the second part of the riff is going to be 3rd fret on the high E string, open, 3rd fret on the B string, and then we're going to do a slide on the G string, 3, 2, pull off, and then 2nd fret on the D string. So let's combine those two scale concepts, those two licks. Okay, one more time. Okay? The next part of this little gospel quartet riff will repeat the first little lick, which sounds like this. So O or 0, 0, 3, 0 on the E, B, 3rd fret B string, open on the high E string. And then we're going to do this chord lick, which sounds like this slowed down. Okay. And I'm going to give you the right hand strumming as well. But let's go over the left hand, which is a G triad, which on the high E string, 3, 3, 4, the G triad. We're going to scoot it up a whole step, which is 5, 5, 6. We're going to play this little, it's almost like an E7 chord, which is 7, 5, 7. And then we're going to go back down. So let's actually first just do this G, A, E, and then G open. So let's play that nice and slow together. And with the right hand, that's really where a lot of the rhythm comes from. You should play down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A little more at tempo, it would sound like this. You're really thinking like a train. You're driving that train because you don't want to ever lose that right hand. So let's do this riff together. Let's connect the entire thing. It'll look and sound like this. Again, let's hit that low E string in between so that it'll delineate and separate the riff. So low E string. And that is how you play a nice, simple, and easy quartet drive. Now that you've mastered this drive, you're going to want to check out this quartet groove.